India, a land where the sun rises with 1,000 hues, painting the skies with dreams and aspirations. A land where every grain of soil tells a story, every breeze hums a melody, and every heart beats with the rhythm of history. Welcome to India, the soul of diversity, unity, and timeless beauty. India, a land where time stands still, yet moves forward with relentless energy. A country that breathes history, culture, and spirituality in every corner. India's history is a mosaic of empires and epochs. From the majestic Mughal architecture of the Taj Mahal, a symbol of eternal love, to the ancient ruins of Hampi that whisper tales of the Vijayanagar Empire. Every monument stands as a testament to our rich heritage. Here, love is etched in marble. The Taj Mahal, a monument that whispers tales of eternal love, stands as a testament to the passion and devotion that define this land. It is a symbol of India's ability to turn pain into beauty, loss into legacy. Walk through the pages of time in the rock-hewn caves of Ajanta and Ellora, where art transcends stone, or step into the remnants of the Indus Valley civilization, where human ingenuity first flourished. This is India, where history speaks through every brick. But India is not just about its monuments. It's about its people. The warmth of a smile, the chaos of its streets, the aroma of spices wafting through the air. It's a sensory overload that awakens your soul. In every corner, you'll find stories of resilience, of dreams, of hope. In India, art is not just an expression, it is devotion. The graceful movements of Bharatanatyam and the storytelling of Kathakali are dances that echo the tales of gods and legends. Every weave of a handloom sari carries centuries of tradition. A river that is not just water, but life itself. It carries the prayers of millions, the hopes of generations, and the spirit of a civilization that has thrived for thousands of years. To stand by its banks is to feel the pulse of India. India is not just a land of people, it is a sanctuary for the wild. In the heart of the jungles, the roar of the tiger and Ranthambore echoes, a reminder of nature's majesty. In Periyar, the gentle giants roam free, and Bharatpur's skies come alive with the vibrant hues of migratory birds. The lush western Ghats, a cradle of biodiversity, and the pristine Himalayas, a haven for rare flora and fauna. India's natural wonders are as awe-inspiring as its cultural treasures. India is a land of contrasts. The arid deserts of Rajasthan, where the golden sands tell tales of kings and warriors, stand in stark contrast to the lush green backwaters of Kerala, where time flows as gently as the rivers. It's a land of festivals, where every celebration is a riot of colors, sounds, and emotions. Diwali, Holi, Eid, Christmas. India embraces them all, for here diversity is not just accepted, it's celebrated. India's heart beats in its fields, where farmers nurture the land with love and toil. From the golden wheat fields of Punjab to the emerald tea gardens of Assam, every harvest is a celebration of life and sustenance. Our agricultural traditions are as ancient as our civilization. The soil, blessed by the rivers Ganga, Brahmaputra, and Kaveri, feeds not just our bodies but our souls. Yet amidst the grandeur, there's simplicity. In the villages where life moves to the rhythm of the seasons, you'll find the heart of India. It's in the hands of the farmer, tilling the soil, and in the laughter of children, running barefoot through the fields. And then there's the India of today, a nation that is racing toward the future, yet never forgetting its past. From the bustling streets of Mumbai to the tech hubs of Bangalore, India is a country on the move, yet always rooted in its traditions. With over 1.4 billion people, India is home to a mosaic of ethnicities, languages, and religions. Unity and diversity isn't just a motto, it's a way of life. India stands at the crossroads of tradition and modernity. As one of the fastest-growing economies, it's a global leader in technology, agriculture, and space exploration. India is more than a destination. It is a story waiting to be lived, a melody waiting to be sung. Come, walk its paths, touch its history, and feel its pulse. In every sunrise, every smile, you will find a piece of India, and perhaps a piece of yourself. Come, lose yourself in the magic of India. For here, every moment is a story, every place a memory, and every journey, a love affair with life itself. Come, be a part of its timeless tale.